Okay, so have you fixed your headphone issue?
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes, I can. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, so thank you. Thanks for joining this call again. So now we are able to discussion about the website tracking that I did for you. So now if you have any specific question regarding the tracking that I did and the report I sent you, so you may ask me. I will be happy to answer your question. Then we will discussion for the next website tracking. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. I guess let me, because I didn't see we didn't do the meta pixels, right? Is that correct?
Yes, I do.
Okay. So, but was that a part of it before when we spoke about it? Like that would include in that pricing or?
Yeah, I saw on the website there have two different form. One is the apply form, and in the bottom is the contract form. So I did set up for the both form tracking. So if somebody submit any of the form after visit the website, it's tracked as a lead form submission. Okay.
Okay. Um,
So. hmm,
okay. So I guess what I'm hearing you say is the only thing for the pixels, the meta, is like if we do a lead gen campaign. Is
Yes.
that what you're
So
saying?
yeah, you can, once you run the Facebook ad campaign, you will be able to set the event that I set up as a lead. So you can target those people who are really interested to submit the form by selecting the lead on the campaign. Okay. Also, once you run the campaign, the Facebook ad account will assign the lead as a conversion. Okay.
Okay. And what if I want to do an awareness campaign rather than just a lead gen campaign?
Mm-hmm. Sorry, say again.
So what if I wanted to do an awareness campaign rather than a lead gen campaign?
So first, if those businesses the new to Meta, so if you don't running any previous campaign on the Meta, that time, first of all, you have to uh, run the awareness campaign. Okay. So once
Mm-hmm.
you gather some of the traffic by the awareness campaign, like 2 week, 3 week, or 20 days, then you can retarget them and you can assign the lead campaign for the conversion. Okay. But at the first time, if you run the lead campaign, then we will not getting the targeted traffic. We will not
Mm-hmm.
getting the conversion. So that's the why. First, we have to set up the awareness campaign by selecting the specific audience size in the location. In the Facebook ad manager, there you are able to create the audience, interest-based audience. So before run the
No, I
campaign, yeah.
Yeah, no, I understand that. I know that portion. Like I got that part. So what I'm hearing you say is I just need to have the awareness campaign running and then have that algorithm learn the audiences and what we're looking for the 2-3 weeks that Meta usually takes. And
Mhm.
then at that point we can do lead gen campaigns and then that way capitalize on the pixels and the tracking and whatnot because that's going to be more of an audience that the algorithm
Correct.
has learned.
You're right.
Okay,
Mhm.
awesome. All right, and then um, okay, so I'm so sorry. Am I in? Did I give you the access through the Nathan's one or from my business manager?
From your business manager is fine, no problem. You are asking for the next couple of website tracking, how you will give me the account access, right?
Correct.
Yeah, you can use the same process that you follow for the first website access sending to me. You just adding, you just will have to add my email address on the business manager. Then I will get the account invitation, and once I accept, I'm able to set up the tracking. Okay.
Okay. And so so what I am hearing, that is through the Meta, the business.
Mhm.
that is through, you said Google Analytics
Mhm.
and Google Tag Manager.
Yes.
And what was the other one?
Google Analytics, Google Tag Manager, and Facebook Business Manager.
Okay. And then do I need to also send you each one of those websites as well so that that way you can test it through the Google Tag Manager?
Yes. If you help me to adding the Google Tag Manager base code under the website backend, then I'm able to do it. But if you are able to adding the code on the backend, then I don't need the website backend. Okay, so it's up to you. If you give me the access, I am able to do it from my end by the same process that we follow the first time.
Can you, by chance, send me that recording from our last video, from our last meeting, and then that way I can go in and I can just do what you showed me for the Google Tag Manager to get that header and main code, and then I can put that in on our Resman side, and then I can get you all set up for the other 14 properties.
Yes, that's fine. I will send you the code then. I will type the website name. There is the 14 website. So I will create a Google Doc file. And under the Google Doc file, I will type the website name. And under the website name, I will type the code that you need to put under the website backend. Okay. For
Okay.
each website. So you can easily understood which website need to adding the code and what is the code. So you will be able to see all the instruction on there. Okay. I will make that
Okay.
for you. No problem.
Okay. Awesome. Yeah. So if you get that to me, then I can work on that immediately. And then that
Hmm.
way you can work on getting the rest of everything you else need set up. And do you think it would be ready by Monday morning on our side of Monday morning? Because today's Friday morning. So I don't know if that works for your schedule or what that would look like.
That's fine. I am working most of the time USA business day time. That means in Bangladesh, I am working the whole night. Okay. So that's not a
Okay.
problem.
Okay.
Yeah.
Awesome. All right. Well, I think that's about it for me, but then I will go ahead and I will start working on getting you added to those three um, platforms and then giving you access to everything. And then also, if you could just work on that Google Doc sheet for me, I'll also go ahead and put it on the back end. And if you
Yeah.
just want to look and make sure you've confirmed before, your end of business, like you've got access to everything before the weekend. If not, we can always jump on another call if you can later and just walk me through whatever ones that you need help with to get in.
Yeah, that's totally fine. That's not a problem. So now also, in the Google Tag Manager and Google Analytics, we have to create like another 14 container for each property. Okay. So
Okay.
I will need the 14 website URL under the doc file. So I can ready for you. So you don't need to do the tag manager thing and analytics for. Okay. I will handle that. Just you
Okay.
have to, yeah, just you have to put the code under the website backing for the forwarding. Okay. And I will create all the container for you. Just right now, I gonna uh, send a Google Doc file link there. You need to edit all the 14 website URL. Okay.
Okay. Can you do me a favor? With that
Yeah.
Google Doc that you send over, can you do Brisa as an example so then I know exactly what you're looking for? And then I can
Yes,
do
I am
do the
doing
rest
that.
of the
Mhm.
14. Okay. Yeah, if you give me one example, then I can get whatever you
Yes.
need done in there for
Mhm.
you. I just want to make sure I don't give you anything wrong.
Sure, no problem at all. I'm doing it right away. So just give me 1 second.
Okay.
I have to create the doc file, project tracking, project file. So website URL. Now, just a second, okay? I am opening your
Okay.
tag manager account. The other thing. So the Google tag manager. Website. I think it's better. I can. It's lovely.
And it looks like for the business manager, you have access to all of the accounts, correct? Oh no, you
You
only
mean
had
the
access to
Facebook
the business.
Facebook Business Manager? You are.
Mm-hmm.
I think I have the one. I'm checking that. Just a second. Mm, Creating.
Okay,
Oh
and
yeah.
then once you do complete these, once you do complete them, can I, instead of having, like, so you've been finished barista, instead of having full control of everything, can I assign you then as a partner rather than somebody who has full control?
Mm, Okay, I'm gonna share my screen. Okay.
Okay.
Fine, okay. So now I just created this Google Sheet. Okay.
Okay.
So this Google Sheet we will use for another 14 website. Okay. So you will need to edit all the website link on here. Okay.
Okay.
So once you added this website link, I will create the container like this one. So we created a container, right? For this
Mm-hmm.
website. So I will create another container and I will copy the ID under here. Like this is the second. Can you please send me the second website link so I can do with you, and other rest you can do from your side? That would be helpful for better understanding.
You want me to send you the website links right now?
Yeah, just another one, another website link. Then I will
Okay.
let you know what need to be done by you. Okay.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
you can
Hold
send.
on.
Mhm.
Let me. Let me send it in the chat.
Okay.
Oh, sorry. Oh, wait, no, it has it on my com.
So copy link, you are sending this one. So suppose this is the second number website. Okay. So I will create now a Google Tag Manager container. One second, I'm creating for you so you can easily understood. Web. This is the second one. Now we have like this one and that one. So this is the
Mm-hmm.
second website GTM ID that we need to put under the website backend. Okay. So I will copy this ID on here like this, and also this website link should be here. So now what you need to do, you have to copy this code and you need to add it under this website backend. Okay. Then once it's done, just you need to check mark this one. So I can understood this website is GTM is added under the website. So I am able to do the rest work from my end. Make sense?
Okay. So hold. It makes sense. Yes, but let me go into Resman real quick and do this one with you so we can have that complete full circle.
Mm-hmm.
Um, and you just make sure you tell me that yes, you are doing this correctly. And
Yeah. And regarding the Facebook Pixel, I also have a plan. So you don't need to give me the account access like Facebook thing for another 14. Just you can copy the Facebook Pixel ID from the business manager, and I will edit another section on here like FB Pixel ID. So you just need to copy the Pixel ID like this website. I am going to this website back in just a second. This is your Facebook icon there. So I don't need you every time, you don't need to give me all the business manager access to me. So like this one. Okay. So as you can see, after set up the tracking, it start collecting data already, okay? Like page view, lead, phone number, click, and it starts set, okay? So I set the
Okay.
tracking and it start collecting data. Just this one, we need to assign as a custom event. Then we are good to go. Just a second. And this one also. Mhm. Okay. So like this one, this is the pixel for this one, right? Like first drive side. So in the business manager, you just have to copy this dataset ID. And if you able to copy the ID on here, then I will don't need the business manager access from you, okay? For every website.
Okay. I think I already gave you that access, but I can go ahead and remove that access and then just give you that ID number.
Yeah,
Um,
for each business is like every business have the separate Facebook pixel. So you have to just go to the business manager event section and you have to copy the ID and you have to add it on here. So I can do all of those from my end, okay?
okay, hold on. I am in, let me do, you're at Aspen. So I need to go to data sources. No, you. So I go to the business manager. I go to, I'm at Aspen, but how do I, so then where do I go for the event section?
Okay.
Can you walk me through the barista one more time?
Yeah, yeah. 1 second. I am just stop
And then if
sharing
you
so you
send,
can.
and if you send me that code for the Google Tag Manager, I've already pulled it up so I can insert that right now.
Okay. So you can share the screen so I can help you. You can share the screen so I will ask. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So you can go to the Facebook Business Manager for this website. Okay, there you okay, this is the page. Mm,
So
and
you want me to go to,
oh, okay, I am saying that. So that means you have one business portfolio, and under the one business portfolio, you have all the Facebook page and ad account, right?
correct.
Oh, okay. So then, okay, makes sense. Then we have to create separate pixel under the green line appointment. Hmm, I see. Okay, so now you can click the data set and pixel is the left. Data set and pixel, right. So I'm saying there is only one pixel that we created the first time for the first right side, okay? So we have to
Okay.
create another 40 pixel under here, like by clicking the top right. Can you see the add?
Yeah.
Yes. So just you have to edit the pixel name as per the website name. Yeah. I think I am able to do it because I have only one access for the green line. So this part I am able to do it from my end. Okay.
Okay. And I mean, honestly, I trust you. But I've already given you the access to the pages. So you're on here. I'm waiting for you just to accept the thing. And then once you're done, then I can go in and, just use you as a collaborator rather than somebody with full access. Does that make sense?
Yeah, that's fine. Once it's done, you just remove me from the banking because that time I will don't need the access on here. Okay. So when the
Okay.
work is done, you just remove me from here, from the business manager because I don't need that. Okay.
Okay.
So now just your job is you have to put all the website URL on the Google Sheet. Then I will create it all the property under Google Tag Manager and Analytics 4 and send you the GTM code that you need to import. Okay. And after that I am able to do the rest work from my end. Okay.
Okay. Can you send it to the green line apartment at gmail.com?
Okay.
share that Google Sheet with that email. And then that way I can start doing that for you immediately.
Yeah, yeah,
Um,
I'm doing that right
and then
now.
I can go ahead and put that on the back end and you put those on the back end. So then that way, whatever you need
Mhm.
from me is hopefully done. Or no, because you still need the access to those businesses, Google Analytics, and Tag Managers.
Mhm. Yeah, I'm doing that right away. Get in line, department.com, editor. Yeah, I just sent access to you.
Okay, I received it. And then, but you said you still will send me that the video from the last one, so then that way I can see how to add you to the Google Analytics and Tag Managers separately. Correct?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, because I just don't want to bog you down because I'm sure you're busy with other things, and if I can just like look it over and review it and then set it up and do it for you, that way you don't have to keep coaching me on how to do it. And yeah, you'll be good to go.
Yeah, no problem at all. And as you know, our first order is going late delivery. So I'm going to deliver the first one and send you the another 40 with combine offer. So you don't need to upset the separate offer for separate website. Okay.
Okay, so you're going to combine the. Are you talking about the invoice?
Yeah. Like
Okay, so you're
combine
going to combine
invoice
the.
for 14. They don't need
Okay.
to have the separate invoice, for separate
Okay.
website. So I'm
Perfect.
just going to deliver the first one, then I am able to send you the second a combine offer for the 14 right away. So give me just 1 second, okay?
Okay, that's fine.
So delivery there, there you go, there you are for the first website tracking. Okay, there you are.
And you would be able to also, you're going in there and making sure that it doesn't count like when I'm Googling it and stuff, that it's not counting as a site or someone seeing it, correct?
Hmm? Yeah, I believe so.
Okay. I just want to make sure, just so for their
Hmm.
sakes and whatnot, because I'm in these like obviously multiple times a day, every day.
Yeah, no problem. Yeah, I just delivered the first one that you have to approve, please, on the Fiverr.
Okay, I am seeing you're asking me, yes, I approve delivery. Are you pleased with delivery? Yeah.
Hmm. You need to approve for the first one.
Man, they make you do a whole like dissertation over here, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Right. Um, okay, did you get it? Did it say it's done?
Yeah, I think so. And I am sending the offer for the 14. Mhm. Tag manager. There you go. Yeah, I just sent. You can refresh the page, so you should get that.
Okay.
Mhm.
And so I have a question.
Mhm.
Okay, so then add sales tax. Okay. And you have the delivery time is 5 days.
Yeah,
This,
I tried the 5 days, but it would be done by in 2 to 3 days because you
okay.
mentioned you have to run the campaign by Monday. So I know that.
Yeah.
So I have to tie it at the delivery days. So after set up the tracking, it will be done by in 3 days. That's not a problem. And I am
Okay.
working on the weekend, as I mentioned, and you ask me. So within the weekend days, the work will be done. Okay.
Okay, that sounds good. I just wanted to double confirm.
Mhm.
All right. Well, I'm waiting for it to. Okay. I had to make a big purchase yesterday. Let me talk to my controller and see if she can increase my limit. Um, and then I will get this done. But I'll also work on the sheet, and then once I'm done with the sheet and get the payment, I'll send you a notification. Is that okay?
Yeah, no problem. Take your time. Just when it's accepted and you added all the URL on the sheet, just you can update me and I will start the work immediately. Okay, no problem.
Okay, perfect. And then if you could just also send me the the video from last time so I can make sure I get the everything else for you. Um,
Yeah, definitely.
I'll have
I'm
it.
sending it right now, so you should get that. Just a second. I
Okay.
have the like Fiverr automatically record the video for the security purpose. So I'm sending the URL to you so you can see the video.
Okay.
Mhm.
Are you sending it via Fiverr or?
Yeah, via
Okay.
Fiverr.
Okay. Awesome. I just want
Okay,
to make sure I
so
have track of it and don't lose it in the chat. Okay.
yeah, no
Awesome.
problem at all. Take your time. So how many time would you take to accept the offer and sending all the URL on the sheet?
How many what?
So I'm telling like how many time you will take to adding all the URL on the sheet as well as accept the offer?
As well, accept the offer. Probably give me like maybe an hour, hour and a half.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, no problem then because I have like another two call. That's why I'm asking so I can check immediately. Okay.
Okay, yeah, I'll send you a message on Fiverr. So that way, if
Yeah.
you're in a call or whatever, it is what it is. Obviously, I know because I didn't do it right now, but I'll send you a message as soon as I'm done. It should be within the hour.
Yeah, sure, no problem then. So you can take your time. Once it's done, just update me. Okay.
Okay, will do. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Okay. Bye now. Have a good
All
one.
right, bye. You too.